Hi, I'm Kenny Harrell, I'm the managing partner of the Joye law firm. I'm often asked by people who have been injured in a car wreck, hey, what sort of damages can I recover? And there's a whole host of damages that are available to you if you've been injured in a car wreck and it's not your fault. Somebody else caused the accident. First is what we refer to as actual damages, and those would be things such as your medical costs, how much it costs you to get appropriate treatment. If you have lost wages, that's an element of damages we would want to include as part of your claim. But we can also look into the future. These cases, unfortunately, if you've got an injury and you need lifetime medical care, well, we're not going to sit around waiting to settle your case at the end of your lifetime. So instead, we would get an expert to give us an opinion on what your future medical costs are likely to be for the injuries that you had. Same thing can be true as to future disability. If you're not able to go back to work, that becomes a big element of damages as well. There's also damages that would be for intangible things, but they're very important and real damages. So just because they don't have a set dollar amount doesn't mean that they aren't real. But pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life. Look, if you've had a serious car wreck injury and you end up needing to have a fusion surgery for your neck or your back, your life is going to be impacted every single day by that injury and that treatment. And so that becomes a very big driver in terms of what the damages are. And the last thing that I would mention, let's say that you had a drunk driver that caused your wreck, caused your injuries. This is an element of damages the insurance company will never tell you about, but a big element of damages there is punitive damages. If somebody has been reckless and hurt you, on top of getting damages recovered for your injuries, we also can get damages to punish the wrongdoer or the at-fault driver. And so I tell people it's like baking a souffle. There's a lot of ingredients that go into it. One thing for sure, unless you've got a master chef, you don't want to cook a souffle. And unless you've got a good experienced personal injury law firm, then you're going to suffer if you don't have the benefit of getting that law firm working for you. We'd love to do that for you. If you'd like to talk to us about your claim, give us a call, 888-324-3100. Thanks.